does the Holy Spirit bring restoration and healing? In John chapter 14, verse 26, Jesus says that if I go away, the helper will come, which is the Holy Spirit, and he will teach you all things. This is the presence of God in our own lives, that God is actually with us in the Holy Spirit, and the Holy Spirit speaks his word, and his word gives healing and transformation in this life. He does this because Jesus was sent to die for us and has opened up the way and has given us the gift of the Holy Spirit that restores. I hope this video has been helpful for you, but in any case, as we say, Salam Alafia, La Paz de Dios en tu viaje. Hey, God's peace be with you on your journey.